بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے.
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق.
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا.
خلق الانسان من علق.
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی.
اقرأ وربک الاکرم.
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے.
الذی علم بالقلم.
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا.
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم.
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا.
Assalamu alaikum student, we start our class with the name of Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. This is class 7 and the period is the English language text period and the week number 7 and the video number 7. Today this is the last video class of this is our last video class and I am going to review all the units and the topics. First unit is the unit number 1, formal correspondence. Student, formal correspondence means to communicate with each other in a formal way, or letters now may be sent electronically rather than the postal system. The second type of the formal correspondence, all types of the formal letters are included. Type of the formal correspondence, for example, inquiry letters, complaints letters, formal invitations cards or cover letters, CV, etc. Now features of the formal correspondence: recipient address or the sender address, who sent the letter or who received the letters, date. Number 4th one is body of the letters. Body of the letters or bold in letters. Bold in letters mean we start the paragraph in the capital letters, or body of the letters mean letter divided into two parts. After that body of the letter we use complementary clause. In the when we are going to close the fax or any letter, we use good words, or after that in the end we use write our full name or signature. In memo, what is memo? Memo is the short for the memorandum. Memorandum brief message to the people within the organizations, or also memorandums is an informal written message for the future use. Or what is fax? Student, fax is a short for the facsimile machine. Fax machine is a device that is used to send documents electronically over the telephone line. Next one is the email. What is email? Email is a short for the electronic mail. Through mail, messages are transmitted all over the world from one computer to another computer. Next one is the fax transmission. In fax transmission, two faxes we discussed. Number 2 faxes we discussed. First, Nancy sent the fax to the sales manager of the company. She wanted to purchase a phone, or she required about the plans from the sales manager of the company. Or the second fax, sales manager of the company replies to Nancy So's fax, or he has given the three informations about the plans. In vocabulary, we discuss register. What is register? When we speaking or writing, we make choices about how we can formal or informal our language to be. This choice is known as a register. Or in register, we discuss formal extract or informal extract. Some words that, for example, congratulations shows formal extract. Hi Mr. Hi Hong refers informal extract. In writing workshop, we wrote the formal letter about with the help of the features. The next unit is traditional stories. What is traditional stories? Traditional stories are stories that have told or retold many generations. or these stories hold the essence of the history, development and the belief of culture. Or also these stories also known as the fairy tales like Cinderella, Heer Ranja, etc. Or these stories also preserve from one's culture identity. Next one is the features. In features, first an introductions, second characters, when characters come into the story, number third perform the actions, yani ke action of the characters, or when they perform the action of the character definitely problems are created. Fourth one is the complications, or when these all characters overcomes or solve these problems, or after that resolution. In the end of the story all problems have been solved, or resolutions tells us how the solutions affect the characters, or in the end any story gives you the good or the bad lesson is called a moral, or in story we can use different tenses. Extract the lost ruby. Ruby is a red deep precious stone. Student, in this story originated from the Indian culture, written by the Ruskin Bond. Or in this story the main character is a king or the chief minister. The king wanted to know or judge the chief minister, either the chief minister what he said, did he practice or not. I brief you the brief summary of this extract. There was a king who was very wily and a powerful ruler. One day he seems to be very sad. Chief minister asked him, but he didn't reply. Chief minister then suggested not to let grief be cheerful and optimistic. So the king decided to take a test of the chief minister. He gave the ruby to the chief minister and said, take care of it with a great care. After a few days, the chief minister stolen this ruby by his source. So then chief minister reported the king he has lost the ruby. So king gave threat to the chief minister, if he don't find, or if he failed to find the ruby, he would be executed after 3 days. So chief minister spent 3 days freely, or freely. Luckily he found the ruby during cleaning the fish. So first he gave back to the ruby to the king. King surprised and sad, and also admitted that he was also the part of this theft. In the end they both were happy, and In vocabulary we are discussing, we discussed about spelling rules. Students, there are a lot of spelling rules in English language, but in our syllabus we discussed 2 rules. First rule, same sound different words. Same sound different words means C, S-E-E-C or S-E-A-C, E-Y-E-I or pronoun I. Pronoun I. Same sound but different spelling. Second rule, different sound or same spelling. Different sound or same spelling. For example, enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough, E-N-O-U-G-H, enough, C-O-U-G-H, cuff. Same spelling but different sound. In writing workshop we wrote any traditional story with the help of the features. Next one is the unit number 4, manual. What is manual? Manual is a book which tells you how to do something or how a piece of machinery works. Features, manual gives the reason, or second, manual written for the second person or the third person, or manual usually written in a simple or the direct language. In manual we use action verbs or we use adjectives. Extract outdoor survival guide written by Hugh McMahon about locating enough water for survival. Student, 80% of the human body is made up of water. Since we have no method of storing water in our bodies, but there are a few steps to find or collect water. There are glacier, cliffs and rock services, collecting dew and collecting rain. Vocabulary: suffixes and affixes. Suffixes and affixes. What is affix? An affix is literally fix itself to the beginning or to the end of the root word or the stem word. What is the root word or the stem word? Mean basic word, main word. Or what is suffix? And suffixes attached to the end of the root word or the stem word is called suffix. For example, meaningful, joyful. Next one is the unit number 5, science fiction. What is science fiction? Science fiction stories are set in the future when technology is highly advanced. In science fiction stories, the characters or the settings are very different what we know now. Or in science fiction, writers create the world of the future where the technology or where the science is highly. Or all the character of science fiction stories are lived with the consequences of the scientific or the technological advancement. Or the feature of the science fictions: number first, introduction. After that, characters, sequence of the events, mean step by step performing the actions. After that, sequence of the event or resolution. In the end of the story, every problem has been solved. Or in the story, any story we use different tenses, or we use also technical language. Extract, Earth Song. Earth Song is a science fiction story, or science fiction story. The main characters are Anna, Joy, Frog, and the Walter. Anna is a girl, or Joy is a 16 years old boy. Walter is an integrated system, or Frog is a machine. They all are in the spaceship coming from the Titan. Anna and Joy wanted to land on Earth. People used to live on Earth generation ago, but because of the drastic change in the climate, all human have been perished. So the next one is the vocabulary: commonly confused words. Student, words that sound alike or nearly alike cause writers trouble. Many words in English are commonly confused. For example, word hurt or word damage. Hurt is usually used to describing people or animal, or damage is usually described to things or machines. Student, I hope you reviewed all the units, or your first semester midterm has been closed. Submission of copy has been started. So submit your copy for checking and prepare yourself for exams. Or student, this is your English language text copy. Fill up the cover page. Or this is your, how will you maintain your index? See here, this is your index. Maintain your index with the date wise and the week wise. See here, unit number 1, formal correspondence, date. Unit number 2, with the week wise and the date. Unit number 4, manual with the week wise or date wise. Last one, science fiction, date wise or week wise. Now you have closed your copy like this. First mention the roll number, then first semester midterm has been closed, session 2020 to 21. Then mention the unit numbers. Unit number 1, formal correspondence. Unit number 2, traditional stories. Unit number 4, manuals. Unit number 5, science fictions. All work are included in first semester midterm content. This is all about the today's lecture. Now I will also explain you about the papers. First, your paper pattern has divided into 3 parts. First, objective type questions. In which you can solve MCQs. Number 2, short question answers. Or number 3, descriptive question answers, means long question answers. Students, this is all about the today's lecture, or we will meet soon inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.